Alright, so I'm at my own place today. It's a beautiful day for October. It's like 23 degrees out. Anyway, I'm right on the water here, and as I'll show you in a second, the bank is eroding pretty quick. We had a hurricane come through the start of this month, and it ate a lot of my bank away. And as you can see, my well, which is dug, is here on this corner, and I need to protect it from erosion. So I got a load of armor stone. So we're going to square this off, put in the armor stone to protect it, and we'll see how far down this way we can go with that one load. There's already some rocks down here. I'll just try to pluck as many of those up into the bank as I can. And a little further down here, there's a really bad spot, and that'll be the next load of rock I'll get. I'll have to go down here, but for right now I'm concerned with the well, protect that for this winter at least, and then slowly work my way down the bank. The price of diesel and everything, the rocks, we ordered them last year, they were like $400 a load. Now they're $550 a load, you know, so it adds up. But here's the other part. You can see the river's kind of undermining my hill here. And if we keep going down the beach, that's my parents' property at the end, which you see they had put in a wall. So eventually I'll get down to that far, but for now we'll just start working on this. I'm gonna go up, get the excavator checked over, greased up, fueled, and we'll get to work on this. Kind of going with one rock at a time, just trying to get it in place somewhere where it looks like it's going to help. My wife wants me to save a nice big one so we can put it up in the driveway for our house number. That'll be fine. All right, got the excavator put back. Now, this is what the wall looks like. The pile of rocks doesn't go as far as you think. Anyway, finished up the wall. There's plenty of protection for my well. Now I'll come down with the skid steer and just straighten up the road again and clean up the dirt around the well. And it'll be a wrap on this job.